Hey guys, if you are having check engine light issues, we've got a good solution for you. Now, way back in one of our first videos, we did a code reader, OBD reader, and it's been quite a long time since we've done one of these. Things have changed. Unfortunately, that company's changed quite a bit. Well, we've got another one. We really like it. And if you are needing a good code reader, we think this is going to be a good option for you. We have a good test subject here. We're going to use this on our friend Rothmeyer's SUV. He has not one but two cars with code issues.
Oh, hey. You like my new J. Ryan haircut?
Is this going to help us find the problem? Is this going to work for you if you have a check engine light on or just need to run diagnostics? We're going to show you how to use it, how to connect it to your car, and how to read the codes. When you get one of these, this is how it's going to come. This is the only thing you're going to get. And you're going to, let's tear into this thing. Hey, did anybody bring a pocket knife? You do need something here. Okay, it's good to have a group of guys standing around you while you do an unboxing that are more prepared than I am. All right. So, got a little pull out. All right. Nifty little sticker if you want to help promote their brand, and then a link in this card to download the app and some instructions on what to do once the app is downloaded. So the next thing we're going to need to do is get the app downloaded to somebody's phone. Who has a phone?
Okay, so in the box, it's pretty plain and simple, guys. It's pretty intuitive. They give you a little flow chart of how to connect this to your vehicle and the sequence in which you do that. It also gives you the Apple path as well as the Android path, so you're covered on both those types of devices. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start the engine, and then the next thing you're going to do is plug in the sensor. So we're going to get Mike to do both of those things real quick.
All right, so for liability purposes, if you're helping a friend out, always make them start the car just in case things go wrong. Step one, start the car. All right, step two, plug that sucker in. Now, this, you can have the friend do or you can do.
Okay, first things first, man, you got to find your OBD port. Where is it at? Well, it's either under the driver's side dash or the passenger side. Typically, most of them are going to be on this side. Keith, go ahead and find that port, please.
What you're looking for is a little rectangular connector. It's usually black. It's usually got a bunch of pins in it, and it's what this thing's going to plug into. And on this one, it's right there. And they usually are kind of in the middle of the driver steering column. So we're gonna plug into that. All right.
And now what we have to do is connect it to the damn phone. So let's connect. Look, it's requesting it. So we're going to pair.
All right, read codes, top left. So it's asking you read trouble codes from check engine light, common dash lights, or all system modules. Let's go check engine light. Ten codes found.
Okay,
All
here we
right.
go. Fuel level sensor, A circuit high, evap system, vent valve control, fan 1 control circuit, fan speed high, coolant thermostat. Okay, so that should probably get taken care of before you go on a long haul, guys, because this could potentially lead to a overheating situation, and that you don't want to happen.
So Jay, is it okay for me to just reset my code if the light comes on?
Absolutely not, Keith. And here's why. Because if you have multiple codes, you may have other issues going on, so you want to wait to go through that process after you are certain that you have replaced the correct components. Then you can reset your codes. Otherwise, leave them be until you're finished.
Okay, for those of you that are asking, yeah, but how do I actually clear the codes? It's that simple right there. There's a little button you tap that says clear confirmed and pending trouble codes. And it's just that simple. You can confirm it and you're done. Note that it will clear all the codes, so make sure that you're ready. Make sure that you either got all those repairs done and you're ready to check and make sure that there aren't any codes triggered again, or it's a minor code that you want to clear and just see if it comes back. Just know that it will clear all codes. You don't have the option to clear just one. Okay, so what if you want to read your codes, but you're not really savvy on doing your own repairs? That's okay, because this tool is also great to have conversations with the repair shop, with your mechanic. You have a little bit of an informed advantage going in, and honestly, for the price, repairs are typically expensive when you get a check engine light. It's good to be educated with knowledge. Not that we're trying to trap anybody, but you have a complete list of what's failed. You can compare that to what your local mechanic shop says, and you can maybe use that to choose what, if any, or all you would like repaired. All right, guys, while Jay's finishing up the code reader here, we'll put a link to this in the description. Please check it out. We highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. We're going to show you how to use it, how to connect it to your car, and how to read the codes. Coming right up. So it's important, everybody, even for gurus, to remember their iCloud password so that they can download the app.